First of all, welcome to all of you. I am really heartened to see all of you come here on a long weekend, on a sunny day like that, and sacrificing your personal things. You have come for Konkani Sammelan. That really gives me great satisfaction and gives me confidence that we will do this great task in front of us in half the time compared to what others had. Everybody else had 2 years and we had just 1 year. But let me start by saying a little bit how this whole thing started. About a month ago, the president of the previous Sammelan, Ramesh Kamath from San Francisco, and Vasant Bhatt from Houston, our president of Khabar, our president of, I would say he's the editor of Khabar and also trustee of North American Konkani Association. They called me and they said they're getting a lot of letters, a lot of inquiries, and they're asking what is happening in the Sammelan. Sammelan was a great tradition. We used to meet every 2 years and we missed that. The last Sammelan was supposed to be on 2010 and it didn't happen for whatever reason. So they were looking for alternate place. Since we did last Sammelan in 1996, it was, it was understood that it was our turn and somebody has to take a lead here. So they called me and asked me whether I will have some interest in leading this Sammelan to be held in 2012. This is a monumental task, cannot be done with a single person. So I needed a team of enthusiastic volunteers, and I made several calls, and I know many of you, I called you on phone and asked for your opinion. To my surprise, I shouldn't say I was surprised, but I was overwhelmed with the enthusiasm showed by everybody I called. I called about 30 people and everybody said, go ahead, we have your full support, and that's all I needed. When you have a core volunteer group, about 30 people willing to do anything, you can be sure this would be a success. All right. So, next. Now, many of you might ask, why should we have a Sammelan at all? The purpose of Sammelan is threefold. As you know, America is a great melting pot. But it is our duty to preserve our heritage and culture by having a meeting like this. So we preserve our culture, and this is one of the most important goals of the Sammelan. That's one. And number two, I think it's even more important that it gives a chance to our youngsters to come together, mingle with each other, develop friendship, develop lasting bonds, and relate to their roots, where they came from. I think that is the important thing for our Sammelan nowadays. And lastly, the Sammelan has been the biggest venue for socializing. The Konkanis love socializing. And more than that, they love to eat gourmet food. And sometimes I wonder whether Konkani brain is located in our stomach or it's in our cranium. So I think that's one of the key things, to have nice food and chit-chat with each other. Sometimes you see long lost friends who come from all over the world, sometimes from India and overseas, Canada, Great Britain, and of course the local people. So this is a great venue to experience our heritage. Now,